How to make rainbow text in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added a text to my timeline. Open up Effects panel and search for 4-color gradient. Add 4-color gradient effect to your text. Now select your text and open up Effect Controls panel. Click on the 4-color gradient effect to see its handles in the preview window. Drag each handle and position them above your text in this order. Now click on each color and choose the color you like. Search for color balance and add color balance HLS effect into your text. Make sure color balance effect is above the 4-color gradient. Move the playhead to the start and click on stopwatch next to hue to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and increase hue value to create the second keyframe. To increase the speed of color changes, move to the next keyframe and increase hue value. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.